if you're crashing my channel, where we trade war stories over cold brews and hotter pipes. You know this ain't showroom fluff. It's the scars that count, the grip on your soul at 3 a.m. This everyday beast pushed at 180K last summer, took the long way home and never blinked. What's its secret?
On this foggy stretch of blacktop that smells like rain and possibility, I'm handing you the keys to the ones that do. The Mercedes that laugh in the face of expired warranties. The kind that make you forget about oil changes until the bottle's empty. But hold that thought. There's one in here that hauled my grandpa S68 Mustang through a blizzard in '99. Frame intact, soul unbroken. Guess which? Nah, not yet. We're earning that reveal. If you're retuning into my little rumble strip of a channel where we swap stories over cold coffee and hotter exhaust, you know this AI ain't about polished press kits. It's about the scars under the hood, the way a car grips your chest on an empty highway at 3 a.m. I've got grease under my nails from too many sunsets wrenching on these beasts. And tonight, we're celebrating the mercs that stick around when the shine wears off. Let's roll. Start with something that feels like slipping into your favorite worn leather jacket, the 2016 C-Class. Man, I remember the first time I twisted the key on one, a hand-me-down from a buddy who'd babied it like a firstborn. That turbo four-banger minus 241 horses. Mild hybrid whisper for when you want to ghost through traffic. It doesn't roar. It purrs with intent, like a cat eyeing a canary. We're talking a sedan that dances through corners without spilling your coffee, all for about 22 grand used these days if you hunt smart. Features the MBUX screens like having a co-pilot who actually shuts up when you need silence, and those adaptive lights. They carve the dark like a knife through butter. But the real magic, and here is where it hits you in the gut, is how it holds up. I pushed 1 to 180,000 miles last summer, cross-state with the top down on a whim, and not a whimper from the suspension. It's the everyday hero that makes you late for work because you took the long way home. Smooth as a first kiss, reliable as gravity. But wait, does it beat the family hauler? Keep riding. Shift gears to the road warrior that turned my skepticism into a full-blown crush. The 2014 E-Class. This one's got stories etched in the dash. Picture a rainy Tuesday in 18, me ferrying my sister from the airport after her divorce. Trunk stuffed with boxes of what-ifs, and this big-hearted sedan just ate the miles. 302 horses from that twin-turbo V6. But it's the ride that gets me. Air suspension hugging the potholes like an old lover, whispering, "I've got you," over 70 miles per hour. Sweeps. Snag one under 20K now, with that Coleman system still feeling futuristic. Leather seats that mold to your aches after a long day. And reliability. It's the E that mechanics nod at in the shop, saying, "Yeah, that one's a keeper." I swapped the timing chain once at 150K, cheaper than a steak dinner, and she's been purring ever since. It's not flashy, it's faithful. The kind of car that teaches you forgiveness. One flawless commute at a time. But can luxury SUVs steal the show? Hang tight, enter the 2016 GLC. The crossover that made me rethink practical as a dirty word. One last fall, leaves crunching under all seasons when it hit me. This isn't just a mall crawler, it's a velvet-gloved fist. That 2.0-liter turbo slings 255 horses with a WD that bites like a junkyard dog on ice. And inside, burled walnut and screens that make Netflix feel a rent. Around 25K used. It's the sweet spot where Mercedes magic meets minivan forgiveness room for the dog, the gear, the grudges you can't quite shake. I loaded one up for a weekend escape, kayaks strapped high, and it tracked straighter than my ex's excuses. No mystery, Gremlins post-warranty. The 9-speed auto shifts like butter on a hot manifold. It's the Merc that says, "Yeah, I get the chaos, let's go anyway." Heartwarming, right? But what if you crave mid-size muscle? Cue the 2021 GLE. The SUV that wrapped around my family road trip like a warm flannel in December chill. We'd just lost the old lab, mood heavy as wet asphalt. When I fired up that inline-6 mild hybrid, 362 horses that pull without pushing. Smooth as aged bourbon. Facelifted for 21. It's got e-active body control that reads bumps like Braille, turning washboard gravel into a spa day. About 40,000 used if you dodge the low-mile unicorns, with a cabin so plush you'd swear it's cheating on physics. I remember merging onto the interstate, kids giggling in the back, and thinking, this is what holding on feels like. Reliability whispers from owners hitting 100K without a sideways glance. That air suspension. Bulletproof, if you flush it yearly. It's not invincible, it's intimate. The beast that carries your baggage and begs you to lighten up. But luxury on 4 doors. Oh, we're just warming the bench. Flashback to '08, when the S-Class wasn't chasing headlines, it was writing the book. I inherited one from an uncle, dense like war stories, and damn if it didn't resurrect my faith in excess. That 382-horse V8 hums like a choir in a cathedral. Night view assist, piercing fog, thicker than regret. Under 15K now for a clean one. It's the flagship that forgot to age, massaging seats, kneading out the knots from a lifetime of hustles. Burmester, audio drowning sorrows in symphonies. Pushed mine through a 1,000-mile loop last winter, snow flying like confetti at a funeral, and it didn't flinch. Post-warranty. It's the S that laughs at repair bills. Owners swearing by the 7G iTronic Trans, holding strong pass to OOK. It's opulence with an olive branch. Sit back, kid. I've seen worse. Pure poetry on pavement. But sporty coupe vibes calling. The 2018 CLA sleek as a switchblade, sharp as unspoken truths. I snagged a low-mile redhead for 22K, and from the first twist that 208-horse turbo for had me grinning like a thief in the night. It's the entry lux that punches above, with LED beams, slicing corners, and a cabin that feels borrowed from the big leagues. Handling like threading a needle at 60, precise, playful, begging for that backroad ballet. Reliability's the quiet hero, here. Minimal complaints, that dual-clutch snapping shifts without drama. I carved canyons in one till the sun dipped, wind tousling my hair, and it felt like stealing time. The Merc that whispers, dream bigger, but start small, underdog with uppercut, but drop-top dreams. Ah, the 2007 SL, the roadster that turned a heartbreak drive into a healing ritual. Roof retracted under starlight, that 382-horse V8 bellowing freedom, and suddenly, the world's small again, about 25K used, with magic sky control tinting the heavens on command. Features like a gentle giant's toolkit. I tooled one down the coast post-breakup, salt air stinging, and the way it cradled curves. Therapy on tires. Post-warranty, it's the SL that endures. Low complaints, that 7-speed auto loyal as a bloodhound. Owners hit 150,000 with oil changes and optimism. It's not youth, it's wisdom wrapped in wind. The car that says, let it go, feel this instead. But Grand Tourer, Grace, the 2007 CLS, the 4-door coupe that blurred lines before it was cool. Polarizing shape, sure, but slide behind the wheel minus 268-horse V6 growling soft, and at S-Love at first lane change. Under 18K now, with that Coleman nav still charting courses like an old map. I chased sunsets in one, trunk full of vinyl and vague hopes, and the Airmatic suspension floated us like clouds on a string. Reliability. Rock solid for its era, few gremlins if you mind the coolant. It's the Merc that defies boxers. Elegant brute, whispering, who says luxury can't lounge. Timeless tease, but off-road outlier. Here's where it gets rugged. The 2015 G-Class, the box on steroids that mocks mud like a bad joke. I bounced one through backwoods last spring, 416-horse V8, churning like fate, and laughed till my side split. About 55K used. Yeah, premium pain, but inside, plush as a penthouse, with off-road modes that eat ruts for breakfast. Post-warranty legend, frames that shrug off apocalypses, owners logging 300K with grins. It's the G that growls, civilized. Nah, unstoppable, the one that makes you feel taller than your doubts. But wait, the twist I promised. And that hurricane hauler, the grandpa's ghost ride. It's the 2008 S-Class, top of this tribe. Not the newest, not the flashiest, but the one that taught me endurance. Ain't about speed, it's about showing up, scarred and smiling, ready for another storm. 382 horses, but it's the soul, that chassis absorbing life's jolts, turning breakdowns into breakthroughs. Under 15K, it's the steel that steals your breath, reliable as sunrise, loyal as the roads we've burned together. So, gearhead, which one's calling your name? The Daily Dancer or the Storm Survivor? Drop it below, your story might be the next one we chase. Till the next twist in the throttle, keep the rubber side down. Fade to black.